my back to the trail. Ah, darn it. Oh no, that's where I blew the corner. This is where I gotta go. I'm still on the same trail. Brakes. Can't miss this cattle guard. On trails. I don't know if it gets any better. Oh! Oh! Cows! Hello. Oh, son of a gun. Get out of the way. I did not expect them to be there. Oh, I think I came from that way. Alright, just got done with the roller coaster trail over there. Now we're gonna see where this goes. I went down it a little ways and then I got to a gate. But it's one that we can go through, so we're gonna see what it's like. It's a wide open throttle. Oh, there's some cows in here too. I forgot. Hey, you can't go through the fence. They're also in the road. Pick a side. Which side? Any side. I'm gonna go this way, you go that way. Or stand there. That works too. Oh, look at that view. This clear cut is ugly as all heck, but the mountains look sweet. Oh man, that's super high up. Look at them avalanche chutes. Oh, we got some water here. We got a lot of water here. Excuse me, cow. Thank you, fluffers. Wait a minute, there's cows on that side. Oh, okay, I don't know what's going on anymore. Oh, lots of water. Ooh, can't avoid this water. Kinda did. Oh, hey, the gate's open. Sweet, I don't even have to get off. I like that. How about them apples? Alright, now again, I have not been here, so I don't know where we're going or what we're going to run into. We're going to find out. We're going to find out. You know what? It would really not be cool to run over a cow pie and have it splatter up all over me. What? Should we go down or up? Let's go up. Water. Oh, lots of water. This is cool. Oh man, this is just a pothole mess here. Huh. Alright. Well, luckily on my dirt bike I can kind of avoid them. I was just gonna admire what the woods look like here, but apparently, we're on pothole patrol. Oh, is this the end? Alright, another happy ending. Moo cow. Oh, he's eating out of the... Are you serious? Hey buddy. I don't think you're supposed to be eating out of the fireplace, number 145. You are chomping. I'd have to try that sometime. He looks like he's having a good time. I can kind of follow my tracks where I went. Taking a new path this time. Right through all of it. This kind of... Oh, shoot. Oh, no, we're good. This kind of looks cool when you're going fast. Another little guy. Hey, cutie. Alright, so we came from that way. We'll try this way. I don't know how far it's going to go. Oh, the gate's open. Sweet! So even though if those gates are closed, they say please close the gate on them, and that pretty much means that you can go through them as long as you close the gate after you go through and don't let any cows through. And then the cowboys will be happy, and then everything's good. Trails and stuff. I think these are four-wheeler trails, but the loggers kind of just started using them. Oh, is this the dead end? It appears so. Alright. That's a happy ending for me too. Alright. Back we go. My bike is going to need a wash really bad when I get home. This is all cow poop. Look at all this. Holy smokes. Alright. And we're heading back. Whew, I need to put my jacket on. Oh, Christ. I saw him run out, so I locked my tire. I'm glad he didn't keep going, though. Killed my bike, but thank goodness for bump start. Oh, I found some mud. It appears so. I bet you my backpack and the back of my helmet is just covered in it. Oh yeah, we were gonna go down here. I don't know if this is a trail or just a logging road. Well, they have the excavator in the way. Can we keep going? I'm gonna say that's a no. Alright, got the camo jacket on. Uh-oh. Come on. There we go. Don't die on me. How do I get out of here? This jacket is much warmer. I'm enjoying this. Look at all the moo cows. And that one's crossing the road. That's okay. Share the road. Be a gentleman. Don't kick me, please. Coming through. Thank you. Such polite cattle. Alright, I actually want to know how much gas I have. Oh. We're good. We got over half a tank. I don't even know how long I was riding, but we're good. And it actually looks like we got some clouds rolling in here. Might be a good time to head back. What's up that way? I kind of want to know. Dead end route, not a through road. What? We'll try this way. There's a camper down at the other way, so I don't know if I really want to go that other way. We'll see where this goes. Oh, just more campsites, okay. Hello. Don't mind me. Just ripping wheelies. Just out for a rip. Oh, that's the reservoir? That is too cool. Alright. one that we can go through? I think so. Do we really want to go through it though? Is it? No, it's not a locked one. Might as well try it, I guess. We'll close it on our way back. I didn't see any cows down here, so we'll come back. I got because they're fogged up. Whew. Lots of mud. Ooh. This is kind of fun. I like berms. Oh, are those taillights down there? Oh, they are. Is that a hunter? What's going on? This trail looks awesome. I want to keep riding it. Dang it. Is there a cow going right down the road? Hey guys. Okay, this looks awesome, but I gotta turn around because I left that gate open. Please start for me. Jesus Christ. What in the world? Thank you. Here's the gate. I put these on while I'm riding. Where the buff is? Too much fun. Look at this. Is this not the coolest thing ever? Ooh, looks kind of stormy over there. It's getting about dark anyway, so. Hey, looks like I could jump this. That was fun. I don't want to be done riding yet. I need to find a place where I can even get some kind of cool trails to ride because I'm enjoying this way too much. Barely any battery. We're good though. That's enough. I think we're gonna turn around now.